that absolute result, perfect result, would be achieved now. So that is my opinion. At least I know. I think if I remembered, I was told that I was fighting the war. I was too slow, and probably Nigeria cannot make it, and that we should not seek for discussion. Well, did we do it or not? They probably do not know the problem in there on the ground, and so there we are.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. I'm about to say great. You see, it is very wrong for Gowon to call back painful memories, telling us about his success in the Civil War, telling us how people never believed he would make it, and he was able to make it. It is very, very wrong for Gowon to give the example of Civil War in Aso Rock. It even raises doubt as to what may be the discussion between him and Tinubu. Whether that meeting was not anti-Igbo meeting. For Gowon to use Civil War as an example is so unfortunate. It's so unfortunate. As an elder statesman, he was supposed to know and be very sensitive and know that people can misinterpret these things. Why give Civil War as an example? He told Tinubu to ignore criticisms, don't bother about what people are saying. The same thing happened during the war, and people were saying we should dialogue, we should call this thing, how are we going to... I mean, why go to that extent? Why call back such? This war that claimed the life of innocent 3 million Igbos. That's what Gowon will give as an example in Aso Rock. This is so sad. You see, you are toiling with the unity of Nigeria. You are undermining the unity of Nigeria. It's better we understand these things. You are giving your victory or the Civil War, how you were able to make it as an example. That's the only thing you know in time like this. When Nigerians are mourning, when Nigerians are suffering, when Nigerians are facing hardship, when Nigerians are angry, that's when Gowon knows he will go to Aso Rock to drop Civil War talk. There may be other things we need to know concerning his visit to Aso Rock. There may be other things we need to know. It's so unfortunate.
But I think it gave the opportunity for Mr. President then to call me, and so that we can discuss. And what I was to